Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove and reinstall this plate light in this 2012 Ford Escape. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. To take this plate light lens assembly out, I'm just going to take a straight blade screwdriver and release that tab right there. Pull this out just like this. To take the lens off, just twist, hold the socket, twist, and pull it out. Take the lens assembly, we'll line it up with the socket, put it in and twist it to the right. We'll slide this in position and lock it in place. The other side is the same procedure.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.